In this box is the Degrii Zima Pro. It is the world's first ultrasonic pool cleaning robot. Just turn it on and select your mode. There are 4 modes to choose from: wall mode, floor mode, overall mode, and manual mode. Users can choose the best cleaning mode according to the pool's condition. Experience unmatched efficiency with the Degrii Zima Pro's robust 10,000 milliamp floating battery. Designed for performance, this innovative cleaner offers a maximum runtime of 210 minutes and covers an impressive area of up to 460 square meters. Degrii Zima Pro comes with an easy-to-use app that gives you more control and options at your fingertips. The user-friendly app allows you to set the exact number of weekly cleanings and adjust the duration of each session to fit your schedule. Using the app, you can also check cleaning progress, monitor battery level, and command the robot. Controlling the robot from the app is fun and easy. You can direct the robot to specific areas for more exact cleaning. Watch how easy it is to control the Degrii Zima Pro. Powered by 3 motors, Degrii Zima Pro can efficiently suction leaves measuring up to 5.1 inches and crush stones up to 1.2 inches in size. With 250 watts of suction, this robot leaves nothing behind. With ultrasonic radar technology, the Degrii Zima Pro can map your pool for intelligent path planning. When the vacuum is done or the battery is low, it will auto-park itself by the wall. You can also click the lift button in the app. Degrii Zima Pro will climb up and wait at the waterline. The 6.5-liter filter baskets can handle really big jobs. These ultra-fine filter baskets can capture debris as small as 180 micrometers, preventing them from returning to the pool. There is a pack of activated carbon inside Degrii Zima Pro, which can effectively absorb impurities and unpleasant odors in the water. You can replace the activated carbon at regular intervals to ensure a good purification performance. Unlock next-level cleaning with the Degrii Zima Pro with a maximum power of 250 watts. Featuring a state-of-the-art brushless motor for the water pump, unlike the conventional brushed motors in other models, Degrii Zima Pro delivers superior power. This advanced design enables it to effortlessly climb steep slopes and walls, ensuring every inch of your pool is cleaned. Let Degrii Zima Pro do the work so you can spend more time playing. Check out the link in the description to get your Degrii Zima Pro.